Current Affairs. Today's headlines. August 27, 2022. UGC declares 21 universities as fake and not empowered to confer any degree, majority of which are in Delhi. 8, followed by UP. 7, India. SC refers freebies issue to 3-judge bench. Calls for expert committee to discuss the subject. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh holds talks with Tanzanian counterpart Dr. Sturgamana Lawrence Tax in New Delhi. Indian Navy receives first ever fully indigenous ammunition for AK-630 guns fitted on warships. Homes were listed last year. Tamil film director Mani Nagaraj dies at 45, known for film Pencil. National parties collected 15,077.97 crore rupees from unknown sources in 2004-21. Association for Democratic Reforms. Economy and Corporate. SR Group announces $2.4 billion deal to sell its ports business to ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel Limited. FM Nirmala Sitharaman meets U.S. Deputy Treasury Secretary Wally Adeyemo in New Delhi. AAI, Sweden's LFV air navigation services, join hands for developing next-generation sustainable aviation technology. 8th India International MS